You're beautiful, you're handsome, you're awesome. Bonjour everybody, hope you're great and welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you don't know me, what's up? I'm OsvalDior and shout out to all my haters. Ha! So today, of course, it's everything purple because we're gonna do a tutorial about the new palette from JEFFREE and this one is Bloodlust. I received it right here by mail. Oh my god, all this because I bought it like 2 other stuff. I'm gonna show you right away. What do you think about this makeup? First of all, do you like it? You don't like it? That's a snatch. This is my inspiration, purple vibe with this new palette. So I just received it the big box because I just ordered it the same day they have the launch of this pretty velvet purple color. I really love it. And you can see the pigmentation is there. And me, when I see this beautiful palette, let's see. This shade is calling me. And this one is the Executioner. So that's why I need to do a makeup about this. And this is what it looks like with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other shades on my face. So that's why I have it. Oh, look this highlight. Oh, mamma mia. This highlight is wet gel. Well, this is a shadow highlight. You can see I have it on my eyebrows. True. I don't have eyebrow, bitch. You can see I slash. It's gone. Bye-bye. Adios. Au revoir. Eyebrows because I wanted to create something like different. And this one is totally a beautiful palette. Let me tell you something first. Let's spend the tea about that. So when you look, it's like kind of go on the side. Is that me or maybe it's like, I don't know. Oh, like this. You see? It go on the side when I look it. I'm like, what? And voila, you can see that? Okay, whatever, that's what's my issue, but the pigmentation is there. You can see beautiful palette. Of course, it's all combination with purple. I really love it. And on the bottom, oh, you can see on the bottom of my eyes, I use it. This one is Scandal Water and Veil Serpent. Oh my god, these two combination is like the same thing I have on my lips. I really love it. And the crystal mirror, I put it on my eyes. So this look is completely beautiful. Period. What's good? So this is what it looks like, the beautiful palette. I'm not gonna do a reveal. I'm just gonna show you what I bought, what I received it on mail, because swatch, everything like that, we already know they have a lot of social media do it and everything like that. And me, I just want to show you my creativity. I'm gonna create other makeup tutorial, of course, but this one is inspire me like the purple, everything like that. And this one like Executioner, I totally love it this shade. So that's why I have it right here. Like, come a little bit, let's show you this look. Sorry, I didn't show you the box, so let me show you the box. This is what it looked like, and it came like very broken as fuck. Oh, you can see like thank God I don't need all that, but you can see with all the transportation about the US to Canada, I think they don't take care about my stuff, of your stuff. What's good? So this one, the Bloodlust, is the third palette of the first one is the Blood Sugar. And you can see a red one. I really love it. One of my favorite palette ever. Look at it. So pretty. And the second one is Blue Blood, like a cercueil. I really love it. Ooh. Ah! Ay, Dios mío, ya casi se me lo cae. Bon, et voilà the whole combination family of blood, Bloodlust, Blood Sugar, and Blue Blood. Ooh, and this one I didn't use it. Look at it. I have to do a makeup about that. What's good, OsvalDior? What are you waiting for? Because I'm very busy, and I work so much, so I don't have a lot of time to do a lot of makeup tutorials. So that's why I do my best to give you the best I can do with all this beautiful original makeup. Well, can you imagine? I finally have it, this one, and this one is the collaboration with Shane Dawson. Oh my god, the conspiration. I have problem with this words, like seriously. So this one is the Conspiracy palette with Shade Dawson collaboration, and I'm so excited to have it. Look at this. You wanna see? You wanna see? Because it's brand new. Oh my god. And on the website when they launched like Blood Lush, and then I'm just like, I'm not gonna order just one palette and the other one I'm gonna show you later. But I'm just like, when I see this palette, I'm like, oh, let's do this. Okay, fuck that shit. We're gonna buy this. I gonna have 3 items, period. And then the shipping is $29. A little bit expensive, but at least it came like after 1 week. Very proud of the shipping, by the way. Thank you, Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It's very appreciated. And I saw this beautiful palette. Oh, I'm waiting for that so long to have it, this pretty palette, and then it's right there. Do you want I show you? Okay, let's see. Listen the paper. Look at this. Conspiracy for me. If you know better English, great for you. It's gonna change my life. No. Okay. Some issue for opening the box. Oh, okay. It's like, ooh. Ay, qué bonito. Seriously, it's so pretty. Oh. Oh my god. Look at this. Conspiracy palette. Oh my god. Let's open. Oh, it's all black. Then compares to the blood sugar. Let's see. Oh my god. First impressed, first review. And look at this. How it look like. This is totally gorgeous, and this one is calling me food video. Wow, finally I have it, and this one is sold out so quickly. Can you imagine? And people just resell it like for the double of the price. And look at the shade. Oh my god, it's the first time I do a review about this, because yes, I was waiting for that palette. It's been a while, and then when the Blood Lush came, I'm like, oh my god, this came, and the other one, I'm like, I have to buy that. At least 3 is worth it. The last product, and you can see they came with purple Jeffree Star. And the last one is, of course, the mirror, because I'm a huge fan of mirror of Jeffree Star. I have this one. I always do it the makeup, like you can see, like oh la la. It's very pretty, and this is what it looks like, my beautiful. Oh my god, everything is combination together. Oh my god. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? I think I'm so much like doing this shit, but I don't give a F-U-C-K. This mirror is so big compared to this one. Oh, look at it. Wow, I'm so proud to have it this one, but this one have already a moment. Let's give it this beautiful queen. Oh my god, miroir, dis-moi qui est la plus belle. Of course, c'est moi. Perfect, so this is what I bought it for Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So if you like it, this look, you have to stay, because they have the tutorial right away. And then how I do it, this beautiful tutorial. I already did the face and everything like that, so let's go with the tutorial right now. Okay guys, so let's start about this beautiful makeup, because this is true. Oh mamma mia, look at it. Lips, eyes. Wow, this is Blood Lush. This is Jeffree Star Cosmetic, period. So let's start about this. So this is my secret Sephora collection for doing the beautiful shape, like you can see this side. Oh my god, I'm dying. And look at this eyeshadow. Girl, she don't play about that, because oh, this one they don't have nothing. Oh, look, the highlighter as well. I use it from this palette. Gorgeous palette, but they have some fallout. The black one, I just thought it was a deep purple. It's a deep black with sparkle purple. What I like it, I don't mind about that, but they have some fallout. So first of all, we're gonna bake the face, because I don't want to have some fallout. Et voila. So let's start about that. So you see the Bloodlust palette. This is totally a beautiful velvet. It's matching with my outfit, everything like glam vibes. Ooh, and this one is so pretty. And look at it, like look the beautiful palette. Dios mío santo domingo, this is totally gorgeous. So let's start about this. So with a flat brush, you're gonna use it. What is it called? Like executioner, pretty black with the reflect like sparkle on it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So let's compress about this, and then we're gonna apply. I'm gonna use my mirror right here, and then oh, it's already there. Is this one, girl? Okay, and then you're gonna create the shape. Yes, so you do your shape, whatever shape you want on the eyes, because my shape is different than yours, of course, but look at it. Ooh, mamma mia, I love it, love it, love it, love it. And you can see a little bit they have some fallout on this side. I just do it again, my concealer, my foundation, everything, because it was so fallout. I'm like, and I have to start it to the beginning, so that's why I'm like, now I baking, so hope I'm not gonna restart it again. Like, we're gonna use a brush very tiny like this, and we're gonna go with the Blood Queen. It's right, this one. Can we see? Yeah, just like this one. And you can already see they have some fallout too. And then you can go like here. Hey, the sticker stay there, bitch. And then you can go between the black. And then after, you're gonna use, or I'm gonna use this one, and this one is the Vivid Mood right there, a kind of baby purple. Then you're gonna apply right there. So I'm gonna use it hiking, like kind of transition shade. Perfect. So now we're going there, and then with a blending brush, you gotta blend, because you see here it's too heavy, and you can take it just to give it the beautiful blend together. So the last one, the last shade, we're gonna use Wet Jewelry, Jewel? Yeah, Wet Jewel, just a pink, so pretty. And then I'm gonna put it like right just there to give you more the highlight. Ooh, come through. This highlight is totally beautiful. Perfect. So I think I'm done with this. So I'm gonna put it the lashes and all the details, and I'm gonna be right back soon. Okay everybody, so hope you like it, this mini tutorial. I do it very fast so you can see, like you can play with all the colors of the new palette from Jeffree Star. Oh my god, it's totally worth it. I really love it. I give you like 2 thumbs up, the packaging, the pigmentation and everything like that. And you can see my face, you can see my eyes, you can see my lips. Everything is gorgeous. It's purplish. Ooh, I like this word, purplish. So you can see a little bit inspiration about that. So what's good guys, what's good? So this is the end of the video, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave message down below, and don't forget you're beautiful, you're handsome, you're awesome. And see you next video, not every Thursday, because now I'm telling you this bitch is busy as. So see you every I don't know when, but see you next video. Que Dios lo bendiga siempre. Tú sabes.